I can't look at you. When you play your music, my heart stops and whimpers at your voice. I bow my head in shame, for I love too strong. Admiration is not simply a choice. I pull my body away from yours, and off I go another way. I have an iron core, it's a disease I need to keep at bay. For you have an amazing talent, and it heals me from inside. But you were not cast as my cure, your elixir is not mine. I wish to say your voice is beautiful, and that you make me smile. But I am too ashamed to voice my words, as yours leaves me so beguiled. Songbird by J.Fellows.